Hi friends! Today, we're going to look inside a school backpack and discover 20 super important items that kids often carry. Let's go! Number 1. Backpack. The backpack itself. It holds all your school things safe and easy to carry. Number 2. Lunchbox. A lunchbox keeps your yummy food fresh and ready for lunchtime. Number 3. Water bottle. Drinking water keeps you healthy, strong, and ready to learn. Number 4. Pencil. A pencil is perfect for writing, drawing, and doing homework. Number 5. Eraser. Made a mistake? No problem! The eraser helps you fix it. Number 6. Pencil sharpener. Keeps your pencil pointy and ready to write. Number 7. Colored pencils. Great for coloring, drawing, and making your work fun and bright. Number 8. Notebook. A notebook is where you write down your class notes and practice your work. Number 9. Textbooks. Books from school help you learn subjects like math, science, and reading. Number 10. Homework folder. A special folder to keep your homework neat and safe. Number 11. Ruler. The ruler helps you draw straight lines and measure things. Number 12. Glue stick. Perfect for sticking papers, crafts, and projects. Number 13. Safety scissors. Kids' scissors help you cut paper safely for school projects. Number 14. Crayons. Colorful crayons bring your pictures and homework to life. Number 15. Highlighter. A bright pen to highlight important words in your notes. Number 16. Sticky notes. Little notes to help you remember important things. Number 17. Calculator. Helps you with math problems, if your teacher allows it. Number 18. Hand sanitizer. Keeps your hands clean before eating or after playtime. Number 19. Tissues. Useful if you sneeze, spill something, or need to clean up. Number 20. Pens. For writing in pepper. And that's it! 20 super cool items you might find in a kid's school backpack. Which ones do you carry in your bag? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time, friends! Bye-bye!